Hi, today's look is going to be wedding guest makeup look, so let's start quickly. Starting with a good moisturizer, I am using water-based Pack Aqua Blast moisturizer. This moisturizer quickly absorbs non-greasy and remove dryness. Using Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer, it really gives a velvet finish and feels so smooth. To define the brows, I am using PAC Eyebrows Definer. Use the darker powder on the tail or tip of your brows to add intensity. And set with the help of a spoolie. Now it's time to enhance my eyebrow shape, for which I am using Supra's foundation here. This foundation blends easily and also gives good coverage. And that's why I use it most of the time. Now I apply the concealer, which is 2 shades brighter than my skin tone. Look how well it's blending. I'm using pink eyeshadow for the transition shade. Remember, the blending process should be good, because it's not necessary that expensive brand eyeshadow are good. Actually, it's depend on your process. And here I'm using e.l.f. Cosmetic Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow. You can use it your fingertips or a flat eyeshadow brush. Now blend the edges. I'm using here a dark sea green eyeliner. And now before applying eyelashes, I use mascara. And it's done. It's turn to using foundation. I'm using the Supra foundation that is exact match on my skin tone. Look the coverage of this foundation. I always use a wet beauty blender to blend all the creamy products. You can see how natural the finishing is. Apply the concealer. Apply your concealer under eye in a small amount. It's time to set all the creamy products. Here I am using the Sugar Cosmetic Loose Powder. I am using the same color eyeshadow underneath as the liner I have applied. And finally, to complete the eye makeup, I have applied a little bit highlighter on the inner corner and brow bones. Here I am applying a little bit blusher on my cheek areas and temple areas. Using the same highlighter which I already used on my eye inner corner. I am using Swiss Beauty lip liner. I usually use this shade because it's suit on my skin tone, whatever I wear and whatever I do my eye makeup. And then apply a nude pink lipstick. I'm using here concealer on mid of my lip. This technique enhances my lip shade. Here is the complete look. I have curled my hair lightly and added a stone bindi. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.